Dude, is this like the new Honda electric vehicle? Dude, I haven't seen it. Here, hold on. I'll plug it in for the person. Oh fuck, dude. This may not have been actually. I gotta put this away now.
You just touched someone else's car.
It's still open. Would you close that real quick?
Yeah.
Look at this. I mean, like, what are you doing, dude? Like, what are you doing? Don't put your car here. Dude, what's going on? We're at fucking Knoxville Anime Day. Some liquid came out. Let's go inside. What's going on? This is TV Head Live Action News. Coming at you from on the scene. Let's go. What is that?
My automaton. I call it Benjamin.
Can I try and play it really quickly?
Yes. I spent
This is the best day of my life. Oh my god. Can you just look at this chair too? Like, what have I done to this chair? Like, look at this. Okay.
Can I show you the only song I know how to
Please
play?
do, yes, absolutely. It's really cool. I love this convention because they give you lunch too. I don't like this bit anymore. I need you to look at these like discount decos. Like they're like severely off. Dude, you want to play some videos game? Oh, I hit my head.
But I will say, that's insanely close every single time.
Let's go home, Sebastian.
No, come back.
You're here. Not one, not two, not three, not four. Hold on. What, five? Five, bro. Is this one open?
Yeah.
Can I drink some?
Yeah.
All right.
I gotta go buy more anyway.
Do you want me to feed it to you?
Hold on. No, I can do this. I can figure it out. Oh, okay.
I swear to God, if you break all my ramen, you're buying me more.
Bottoms up. Oh, that tastes like coughs. Then we went outside and did a whole bunch of bits, but Sebastian didn't have the microphone on for all of it. Here's where it comes back on. It's kind of terrible.
I'm not gonna lie, I just now turned on the mic. I'm sorry.
Do it again. Hello, welcome to NTV's Cribs. I live here.
That's a nice lumbar support you got there.
It's good for the back.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Come over here. This is my living room. I don't want to do this bit anymore. They're so forward about it.
Basically just, you know,
But they don't know who they're messing with.
Sam. Oh god, they heard me.
Going undercover. I think we've been compromised. It's been. I don't like this bit anymore. How do you feel about death penalty? It's gotten like stupid busy, so we're gonna go get lunch. So yeah, there definitely isn't enough space for all of us in the car, guys. But that's not a problem. That's not an issue. That's not an issue. 'Cause look! Oh shit! We're rolling out, dude. Let's go. Hold on. No, hold on. Here we go.
Helmet,
This is the worst idea I've ever had. It's okay. We'll just go to lunch like this.
Going against trash.
guys take a car and then I'll just try the boosted board. But before we go, we have to charge the boosted board, of course. Hold on, I have to pay for the blink thing. Hold on. Bottoms up. That should be good. We'll come back to this later. Do you think we can order like just like the Southwest dressing with like a drink? Like, can we do that?
Yeah, obviously.
All right, that needs your order. What do you want first and foremost?
McNugget.
Do we want to make a donation? Do we like kids? You like kids, Sebastian?
No.
We got a sauce packet, dude.
There it is. It's like packaged really well, dude.
This is like a whole kit, dude. Hold on. This is McDonald's quality. But does it taste quality?
Eat crayons, too. Crayon soft packet McNuggets, dude.
I think your nugget's a little bit burnt.
Okay. That burns. Why does it burn? Back to CAD.
He loves that Nick, bro. He can't get enough.
Because it hurts so bad, dude.
Dude, check this out.
Go ahead. Dude, what the fuck, dude? Dude, what? Oh my god! Dude, look at the tricks. Look at the tricks. Insert trap music, dude. Oh, no.
Talking to hot boxes.
Don't make it too hard. Yeah, I got leather lungs, dude.
Okay, I think that this might be a little bit too small. But watch. Watch how small it really is.
Dude, yo, just
Oh, yes. I'm the TV king.
I get
I need to pick me up. I need.
And so I just like from
Wait, hold on. We have to hold on because it's.
so you can get it for like $2.99.
I pledge
So I just
allegiance to the flag and the United States of and to the republic from which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible,
with
liberty,
water,
justice.
like dumping water. You took your hand off your heart. How dare you?
Oh my God! I don't like TikTok very much. I'm not a fan. I don't. My 16,000 followers, they aren't real.
Oh my god, he's clogging up the lid.
Bought them all on Amazon.com. Oh, I am. Hold on. Let me just clean that really quick. Let me just. Yeah.
And then you can bare ears.
Am I TikTok famous now?
No.
You already are. You have so many followers.
Don't bring it up. It's real cold, dude. My boy Sebastian making music on a calculator, dude. What are you doing, my guy? This is insane. Ooh! Okay, dude. So imagine you pull up to school and teacher's like, you doing your homework back there? You got your calculator?
And you're like, yes.
Yeah, absolutely, dude. But no, you're jamming, dude. Whoa. Oh, I like that one a lot.
Yeah, it's true.